Okay, so we are going to build George's Christmas present, and this is a Fisher-Price Stride and Ride Lion.
Those are the balls.
So this is the box.
I got the one away purple ball.
It's a 3-in-1 toy. He can sit on it, he can
You
learn
push
to walk
the
with it, and he can
button.
sit on it and ride it.
It can...
That's right. So it lights
line
up.
it up.
Here's a little picture of just sitting and playing with it. It is for ages 9 to 36 months, so we're ahead of the game on this, but Jack walked at 9 months old, or 10 months old, so I want to have this ahead of time
The balls in the mouth.
so that he can learn to just play with it,
Try
be
to put
stimulated
the
by the
balls in
lights.
the mouth.
Yep, it teaches ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, colors, and more. It says it has 80 sounds. It comes with 3 balls. Look at that.
5,
George is laughing about the little baby on the box, aren't ya?
9,
So the little butterfly moves around,
0.
and this flower petal dials like a phone. So come on over here, and we're gonna sit here and build this. I'll put it on fast forward for you, but it looks pretty simple. There's just a few screws.
And here it is.
Hi, and the wheels appear to just snap on, so we're gonna get to this.
Look at keys. Daddy, look at keys. Right, Mommy? Look at keys, right, Mommy? Daddy, look at keys, but they aren't keys.
Okay, but I need you to back up. Good, good. Okay. So George is reacting to it very well. He's still a little small for it. Yes, that's right. He liked it talking to you. So Bethy really likes it. So push the nose and show us again. So that's the Fisher-Price 3-in-1, everybody. Thanks for watching. It was easy to build, and I'm sure we'll get lots of use out of it. Yeah. Yes.
Let's keep doing it.